इस वक्त हम अर्धकुंवारी के रास्ते पे खड़े हैं और फिलहाल तो ये पहला हमारा चरण पादुका है और वो बैठे पीछे थके हारे और बाकी यात्रीगण भी बैठे हमारे साथ ही। सारे बोलो जय माता दी। We have covered 3.1 kilometers. Which flag? It's getting chilly right now.
Yeah. Near about 6 o'clock, right? Yeah.
Yes, it's 6. And probably we'll take another, I guess, 8 or 9 hours to cover this whole trek. Hopefully we'll have the strength to get to the bottom. This girl, she has a lot of strength. I am almost tired.
I'm not tired.
Hopefully,
You also have bag, na?
hopefully Mata will give us strength. Specifically me. We'll keep you posted.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Hey guys, we are currently in local Bhojnalay of Vaishnavi Trek. We just had our Kadi Chawal and
Rajma.
Rajma Chawal. Yeah, so both were quite good. They are quite reasonable also, so you can definitely try out this place.
40 rupees.
Only 40 rupees per portion. So yeah, so this is the place how it is.
And it's nice.
And it's quite warm, yeah. But yes, the weather is extremely cold now at this moment, so we definitely need.
As you can see, we
A
are
gear.
wearing jack.
And I have the cotton of ball inside it as well. Chalo, Jai Mata Di.
Jai Mata.
Jai Mata Di. So
Jai
guys, we
Mata
are
Di.
almost reaching the Bhavan.
Look, there is Bhavan.
That is Bhairav Ji actually, up over there. And the light down over here, that's the main Bhavan where we are heading at.
And we are very excited now.
Yes.
Finally, we can see that from here.
Our Mehnati is,
Rang
giving
light.
us, yes, giving us the return. So I'll just
Yeah.
Hey guys,
Jai
we
Mata
are
Di.
almost reaching.
Yeah.
Another 1.5 or probably 2 kilometers left. 1 hour to go.
We're very excited.
The problem is that
It's
the strap of
Bhavan
the bag of mine has broken. So she's testing us as of now. But hopefully we will be through. Already Mata is with me.
And we are very excited. पवन अभी हमें यहीं से दिखाई दे रहा है.
So that's the Bhavan, you can see.
थोड़ा सा
These
है.
are the other devotees. सारे बोलो.
जय माता दी. थोड़ा सा और रह गया है. थोड़ा पैर दुख रहा है. थाइस भी पेन हो रहा है.
I'm giving her, helping her out. Yes, I'm helping her out to
मैंने
be
भी दी.
easy.
मैंने भी दी. Don't say
Yes,
that.
that's true. She's doing her part, I'm doing my part.
Yeah, as husband wife. So yes, we are excited now. अभी हम
We have a
पहुंचेंगे.
booking. We have a booking in. I don't remember the name of that Bhavan, but close to Bhavan there's
We booked
there's
the room.
accommodation. So we've booked room over there.
We'll stay there. Rest for 1 hour and
So we'll
then
take a break for 1.5 hours or yeah,
take a bath and everything. Freshen up.
and then again we'll start the journey.
Yeah.
Till then, Jai Mata. So guys, we have finally reached the Bhavan.
Hello guys.
So this is the entrance zone.
As you
Okay.
can see, there is Sagar Ratna also.
Yeah, this is Sagar Ratna is quite famous over here. So if any time you guys drop in, so do eat at this place. It serves nice South Indian. I already had it down. At the foothill of this Tikuta mountain. in Katra, so you guys can try out this place. Well, we are for now approaching our room. Madam, she's sleepy, I suppose. Yeah, so as of now we are approaching our room. We just have to check in and show our Yatra Parchi.
I'm just checking for our Bhavan.
Yes.
Vaishnavi Bhavan. That's called Vaishnavi.
So yes, Jai Mata Di. Take
Jai
care.
Mata Di.
Next, I'll show you the video of the room what we have got. Okay. So this guy is selling me pony. क्या बोल रहे सर? घोड़े. Yeah. So this is how everything is over here.
Yeah,
Quite.
and in Sagarratna you can see there is mentioned no onion, no garlic.
Yeah. Exactly. I forgot to mention this zone is garlic and onion free actually, and of course booze and
Yeah.
every illegal
no
stuff
smoking
possible.
zone.
So guys, I'll just check in and I'll update you guys again. Thank you. So guys, I've taken the darshan of Mata Vaishno Devi. So currently I'm outside my room. This is my room. I paid around 950 rupees for this. Okay, it's a twin sharing room and it is quite well maintained by the shrine board. So I'll just take you a tour of it. So yes, this is the last room what I have. Okay, this is the exit point. Something like this. That's it. This is Roshan, and this is how the room looks like. Okay, they have provided enough blankets here, roughly around 10 blankets with heaters and everything. So yeah, we have extra mattress also. Inside the wardrobe you will find the remaining of the blankets which we didn't use. So yes, and 2 glasses table. There's a balcony also over here outside this door, but it's quite cold so we are not able to use it. And this is the toilet. It has a geyser also. But one stupidity what they've done is they've put this mosquito mesh over there which invites all the cold inside, so no issue. So yes, we are as of now on our way to Bhairav Ghati. So and 10 AM is the checkout time, so we'll take 3 hours or I guess 2 hours for us to reach back to our room. Once done, we'll be checking out. Alright.
How are you feeling, Mr. Roshan Ashta?
Well, little tired, having pain in the legs, but need to cover up the journey. So yes, see you the other side. Jai Mata Di.
Jai Mata Di.
Everyone, Jai Mata Di.
Jai Mata Di.
We are currently on the trek towards Bhairav Baba.
अभी
And
माता की आरती
Abhi filal, I suppose we have covered around 300-400 meters. The trek is extremely steep. Although they have the ropeway arranged now, but we don't want that. I want to tell you one thing, that if you look around, there is jungle everywhere. So do not take this trek in the night. Okay, and also there are quite less devotees on this track. Just cause it is morning, we can find few, but
just right now.
do not attempt this trek in the night. There is monkey mayhem everywhere and I don't know which other wild animals are there. So yes, but yes, the trek is quite steep. Alright, once I reach, we'll give you the darshan of Bhairav Baba.
Also,
Oh yes, so yes, we have this also. We have mountains around everywhere. Okay. प्यार से बोलो.
जय माता दी. हेलो एवरीवन, जय माता दी, जय भैरव बाबा की. अभी हम भैरव बाबा पहुंच चुके हैं और रोशन जी इतना थक चुके हैं कि इनके पास हिम्मत ही नहीं है वीडियो बनाने की. ये देखो, ये मंकी,
ये इनके पहचान वाले. ये इनके पहचान वाले.
हाँ ये रहा.
ये इनके पहचान वाले.
ये मथुरा में बहुत दिखते हैं. अभी भैरव बाबा का आरती चल रही है तो यहाँ पे बहुत क्राउड है.
To the mountains. So yes, this is the, you can say, terrace area over here. Okay, back over there is a snow-clad mountain which I cannot really capture in my phone. So yes, this is it. We have reached Bhairo. Yeah, it is actually said that the trek is difficult, but as far as my experience is concerned, it is not so difficult. It's okay. It was actually a certain surprise for us that we finally landed at the temple itself, and we were still counting another 1 kilometer to reach. So, anything you want to say?
Great, awesome. So we were planning to go down with the group, but now we have group will start at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
So we
Actually,
decided not to take that.
the ropeway over here starts at 9. We were planning to go via ropeway, but then it doesn't. It's like 7:50 now, so it doesn't make sense for us to wait an hour and then take the ropeway. Another thing, what I want to tell you is the route which goes over here. If you can see, yeah, that route. So that route is a direct route to Katra, which is 5.5 kilometers. We did one mistake that we had taken a room in Vaishnavi Bhavan. So what we did is we left our rucksack over there. Otherwise we would have taken that route itself. तो फिर अभी हमें all the way नीचे जाना पड़ेगा again to the Bhavan area, and then yeah, we can start off with our journey again. Also, we have forgotten really forgotten, we were tired actually to take the route from Adhukwari. So, we'll be covering that right now. Also, that is the Bhavan. We came all the way from there. So yes, this is it. The crowd is waiting over here. When the Aarti gets over, they can take the darshan. The darshan doesn't take much time, barely 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes. The temple is not really big. That is the temple over there. Right one. So yes, that's it. Once we leave from here, again we'll take a few more videos. We'll give you the details of Vaishno Devi. Alright, till then, Jai Mata Di.
जय माता दी।
वीडियो मोड पे जाओ।
हो गया मैं लगा दिया यार, ले गया
Hello everyone, we just took the darshan of Bhairo Baba and currently approaching the ropeway. So this is how the entry and the management over here is. That's my wife here.
Yes, we decided to go through ropeway.
So yeah, see,
that
that's our ride. We came up climbing, walking. Now we are going down via the rope.
Just for the experiment. We are not tired.
Yeah, just for the sake of experience. That's all. Alright. Jai Mata Di. So this is a ropeway. I mean the cabin for ropeway. Just stand and go. It barely takes, I guess, 5-6 minutes to reach. I'll show you the view from here, from the other cliff. Wait. So the cabin is crowding up. Hi. Yeah.
I'm searching for my mask.
We are going down over there to that blue shed. And from there we'll go to our
This is our
Bhavan.
ticket.
Yes. It costed 100 rupees per person. So we got 2 for 200. One way actually.
Just to go down.
Yeah. For the sake of experience. So yes. See you the other side.
We
Bye.
are standing here.
बड़े ट्रैक करने वाले थकान हो गई पूरी. हाँ. Hi guys,
Hi.
we have now checked out. We are still in the market of market near Bhavan actually. All this. It's 10:05 now, so we'll take another 3.5 hours to descend. Although it took us 5.5 hours to come up, but the descending time is less. So yes, look at her. It's quite cold actually still. Hopefully next 1-2 hours, it will become warm. All right. Jai Mata Di.
जय माता दी.
Hello. So back there behind me is the Ratkwari Mandir actually, from where the main entrance to the Gufa is. यहाँ से actually main है. So this is my first time. Good place to visit. Baki, this is the Bhavan around me, wherein it's quite sunny actually. I'm not wearing my shades. So yeah, so this is the Bhavan dormitory I suppose. तो देख लीजिए, do come this side and take a darshan of Mata. जय माता दी.
जय माता दी. अभी हम लोगों ने यहाँ से हम लोग माता से उतरे हैं और हम अर्धकुंवारी जा रहे हैं. और ये हमारे मिस्टर रोशन नाश्ता मस्ती करते हुए. मेरी शक्ल थोड़ी टायर्ड हो गई है. फेस.
Alright, so I will tell you guys now. तो हम एक्चुअली ये रूट स्किप किए थे पहले. सो वी आर कवरिंग इट राइट नाउ.
रोशन की वजह से मैंने तो बोला
आई थिंक यहाँ से कुछ कहाँ पे गया है. आई थिंक यहाँ से कुछ 1 किलोमीटर है शायद.
नहीं, हाफ.
गुड हाफ. सो या तो वो कवर करेंगे अभी. देन वी आर डन. सो विल हेड टुवर्ड्स आवर होटल पोस्ट दिस. वंस आई रीच, एक्चुअली थिंग इज दैट इन अर्धकुंवारी वहाँ पर कुछ तो पर्ची लेनी पड़ती है. सो वी वोंट बी डूइंग दैट बिकॉज देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ क्यू फॉर द दर्शन.
Give you a timing.
Exactly.
Go into that Garud Bhavan.
Yeah, so what we'll be doing is we'll only take the darshan from the Bhar ka mandir, whatever is there.
हम माथा टेक के हैं.
And in fact, this will be the first time for me to visit Ratkwari
For me
and
too also.
for her as well. तो फिर let's see how it works. बाकी I will.
We are tired.
She must be tired. She is aging actually.
you're not
Hey, by
tired?
the way, I have bag also, and this is a rucksack. It's a rucksack. It's not a normal backpack.
He just
So,
want to show you that.
She is
we
tired.
work
I'm not
down
tired.
कर रहे हैं.
काम तो कर ही रहो ना यार. बीवी को लेके चलना एक काम ही होता है यार.
और मैं पति को लेके चल रही हूँ.
Alright guys, so yeah,
This is
that's how it is. So I'll update you once I reach up over there. How it is.
तभी तक जय माता.
जय माता दी.
Baby, 지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까? Baby, 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까? 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어. 네 조금 느린 발걸음.
हेलो, जय माता दी. अभी हम क्लार्क सिंह के होटल ब्रिज में हैं और अभी हम आए हैं रूम से. हमने खाने के
So we
लिए
are just having a dinner actually right now.
We-
It's quite late actually.
yeah.
The hotel is only open till 10:30. Yes. So
The
we have.
restaurant is open today.
Yeah. So we have called for our main course, starter soup, and many things actually. Because I'm foodie. She is not. She is not actually.
He is so much foodie. He's
I've
okay
called
to
for, I think,
waste the
4-5
food.
items.
He's okay to waste the
No,
food.
it's not about wasting, but it's just about trying.
You're wasting.
Haji. I'll get back to you. Let me just clear my order. Thank you. Hi guys, good evening. I'm currently in
Jai
Clark
Mata
Scene Sweets. That is where my booking was actually for 2 days.
Katra.
Yes, in Katra. So currently I'm having my dinner along with my wife.
Jai Mata Di.
So yes, so
Yeah,
we
we
have
are
called for
tired.
4-5 starters and not really starters but 4-5 items actually to be precise. But thing is that I think I've checked out Zomato, बहुत सारे जगह देखे हैं, सबके काफ़ी सारे रेटिंग्स हैं. But as per my experience, this place is quite good. So even if you're not staying in this hotel, definitely you should come and visit this place. खाना का बहुत अच्छा है. I'm a guy from Bombay. I've tasted majority of the cuisine. So yes, please. Our soup is arrived, by the way. I called for a sweet corn soup. So yeah, it was for you also. So yeah, do come here and try out the cuisine.
And he is the person who forced to eat anything. I mean, I don't want to eat soup. That he forced me to eat soup.
No
Drink
issue.
soup actually.
No issue. I'm foodie, so she is having it.
And
It's her
and,
birthright now.
and I just want to mention that soup is the favorite part of Mr. Roshan Ashta. I saw that in Mumbai also.
Yes.
The
So
best.
soup is like I've been having from my childhood. So I need soup. So that's the reason I'm having it right now. And we have called for other things as well. But overall I will say कि यहाँ का खाना बहुत good है, अच्छा है, बढ़िया है एकदम.
Nice.
As compared to how's it?
Nice soup.
I have not tasted it yet.
Even
That's a
we
response.
ordered chicken paneer.
No, sorry.
no
You're
chicken.
on
no
a
chicken.
wrong track. You don't get chicken here.
Chili paneer in the room. It was very awesome. Very
It
awesome.
was good, yes. Indeed, it was
And
good.
idli sambar also.
As compared to other restaurants out here. So do visit this place even if you're not staying here. I would recommend this place. I actually had many restaurants in my mind before checking out this place. But eventually we decided किया कि this is the best place after having the starters and everything and this breakfast as well in the morning today. Yesterday, sorry. So do come to this place, visit this place and enjoy the food. I don't think anywhere in Katra itself. I will definitely say that I don't think anywhere in Katra you will find food which is close to this hotel. So do try food over here. I'm saying this because I'm a guy from Mumbai. I've tried multiple cuisines. Okay, so please have your meal over here. It is a bit expensive, but it's worth it. Okay.
And service is too fast.
Yeah, service is quite fast. We ordered the soup I think 5 minutes back, and we have it right now over here.
And
on
in
my,
the
on my
room
table
also.
served.
Room service
In the room,
as well.
yeah, in the room as well. So yes, please do have the food over here. I will definitely share the video of my room. Okay. Till then, let me enjoy my meal.